Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be how to replace the shifter bulb on an 05 Honda Odyssey. I watched a couple videos on this and no one has mentioned to push the parking brake down. So let's do that first. So you want to put your key in the ignition, turn, don't turn on the vehicle, put the vehicle, press your foot on brake, and put the vehicle in neutral. Now supposedly we could do this job with just a couple simple tools. I brought a couple different size flatheads. I even brought this paint can opener. We got a scribe here, and a spatula, and two types of needle nose pliers. I'm pretty sure I won't need all this, but it's better to have it with me instead. So I'm eliminating the bulb and I'm putting an LED instead. I believe, as they say, this is much a nicer look. So now we'll need to get to the passenger side. Okay, in the glove box there should be a little groove on the side here. There you go. So we got to stick a flathead or something in there to pop that out. There you go. Now you got to continue working your way all the way down to the other side. I don't know if you can see that. You see that little clip there? Those are the clips you're trying to work your way out. Okay. Okay, I applied a little bit of pressure at the bottom to pop out the bottom clip here. You do want to be careful when you pull this all the way out. There are 3 connectors underneath here. So here we have your 1, 2, and there's a third one at the end here. Now, I watched a couple videos on YouTube and they try to make it seem like it was very simple. It really wasn't. It was a little difficult because there's not much play to get your hands in there. So what I did was I dropped the steering wheel a little bit. Right here, you can raise your steering wheel and drop it. And that gave me a little bit more play to get my hands in this area. Well, this is our bad bulb. Let's replace it. Hopefully this LED that I purchased fits. Well, here's the difference. They absolutely do not fit. I don't know why. On Amazon, they say that these LEDs fit on an 05 Honda Odyssey, because they are absolutely wrong. So I will have to be sending these back. And I'm not going to close all this up. I'm just going to go to Advance or AutoZone to purchase the bulb, whether it's a LED or just a regular bulb. Okay, just came back from Advance Auto. This is what they had. I'm not 100% sure if it fits this vehicle. The guy that handed it to me wasn't sure himself. So they look almost identical. Obviously the one on the right is the new one. Let's see if it fits. Okay, I just tried to push the bulb in. It does not fit. Alright, just came back from Advance and even exchange. Hopefully this one's the right one. Let's find out. Nice. Looks like that's the one. Okay, let's see. And turn on our light. That's it. We got a winner. So here's the one that works, the 2723. Okay, Put on the off position. Let's put everything back together. Just in case, I'm not sure if I mentioned, there was a fourth spot being held right here at the bottom. See where the drive is at, right here, and it holds right there. So I also had to pop that part out of place. It gives you a little bit more flexibility to try to get your bulb in that groove. You want to hold your bulb. See these little grooves here? This top and bottom. You want to have them upright like this, so you can get it inside there. I had to get the flashlight, shine some light in there so you can see. As you can see, I got it in there. It's a little tricky to get in there. You're gonna have to feel your way around because it's hard to look from the back side, but it's doable. So let's try to pop all these back in place. Okay, make sure they lock in place. 1, 2. This one here, you can tell by feeling it out, and that's that one there. And the gray connector is the last one you unplug and the first one you plug in. Okay, let me go to the passenger side now. Now we got to plug in our 2 green connectors, 1 and 2. And you want to make sure that you got your foam here that is going to tuck in on both sides here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there and right there. That's good. So one thing I want to know, I did this job without disconnecting the battery. You really should disconnect the battery, but if you do not have the code for the radio, then you have no choice but to do it with the battery connected. Yeah, you just want to be careful that you don't kill your battery while doing this job. You could accidentally, when you're messing around, you could have the headlights on and not even know it. Just to show you one more time the part number for this bulb, here it goes. I got this at Advance Auto. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that video helped someone out there how to replace the gear shifter bulb on the 05 Honda Odyssey. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Ready for your walk?